Hi, I'm Nadia, and this is Nicole.
And we are the Valley Relocation Team.
Well, I'm excited today to show you this home at 3731 Doran Road in Laurentian Valley. It's only about 15 minutes to Petawawa or Pembroke, so very convenient on an acre lot, all treed in here. Nice garden in the backyard. This home has 3 bedrooms upstairs, 1 downstairs, 2 bathrooms, a double attached garage, lots of new features such as a new drilled well, new septic, and new propane furnace. Let's go on in and have a look. If you'd like to book a private viewing, please contact me, Nadia Party, at 613-401-2308 or my partner,
Nicole Walters at 613-401-2045.